Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make chewy candy. We'll start by gathering our basic ingredients: sugar, corn syrup, and water. These three form the foundation of most chewy treats. You'll also need a reliable candy thermometer to ensure your mixture reaches the perfect temperature, which is crucial for texture. Don't forget your favorite flavorings and a touch of food coloring to make your candy truly special. Now, let's get cooking. Combine your sugar, corn syrup, and water in a saucepan. Heat the mixture slowly over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar crystals have dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it cook. Monitor the temperature carefully with your candy thermometer, aiming for approximately 250 degrees F. This precise temperature is key to achieving that delightful chewy texture. Once your candy mixture reaches the target temperature, immediately remove it from the heat. This is the perfect moment to stir in your chosen flavorings and a few drops of food coloring. Work quickly but carefully. Then, pour the hot, vibrant mixture onto a greased baking sheet or a silicone mat. Allow it to cool undisturbed until it's firm enough to handle, but still pliable. With your candy cooled and firm, it's time for the fun part: cutting. Use a sharp, greased knife or a pizza cutter to slice the candy into your desired shapes and sizes. To keep each piece from sticking together, wrap them individually in small squares of wax paper. Finally, store your delicious homemade chewy candy in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain its freshness and chewiness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.